Hi, this is Stephen with Fairs Management Interactive, better known as Fairs MI. And today we're looking at the Lloyd X Fairgrounds. And we thank the Fairgrounds for sending us the floor plans to include in here today. And we'll start off by just looking at those plans. Whether it's event halls or outdoor fairground aerial maps, we use our own process to create high-resolution, high-accuracy scaled backgrounds to apply event facility objects onto the foreground. While objects can still just be white rectangles sized and positioned and labeled, with our unique system, objects can be anything you need to be accurately represented on your plans. Tents, kiosks, rides, barrier lines, bleachers, picnic tables, even semi-trailers, RVs, or farm equipment on display. As we look at the outdoor aerial maps, you'll notice included with a map of the entire grounds, we've added several close-up maps. This is for the convenience when laying out dedicated use areas. Please keep in mind, for demo purposes, these close-ups are our best guess, and the actual close-ups and their names will be based on your preferences. The tools are simple to use and quick to create booth layouts. Exhibitor assignments to booths become part of your drawing file, and it automatically generates a standard Excel exhibitor list spreadsheet, which includes a booth size inventory. Booths can be moved, rotated, deleted, resized, color-coded, and more. Just a mouse drag or click, keyboard command, or using settings for automatic booth numbering and layouts. One 15 to 30-minute lesson and you can begin planning. Do you lease out your exhibit halls to independent show contractors? You can provide them this planner and we can train them for you at no extra charge. Do you use the same food service or cafe lounge setups in your halls? Draw and save those designs individually and just add them into your hall layout when needed to save redrawing them every time. Our planner is priced as an annual subscription. Unlimited users, unlimited changes, unlimited training, unlimited events, no extra charges. Your cost is 100% predictable. You'll notice for these cafe tables, we've used what we call an icon, a scale object icon of the 4-foot rounds with chairs. Outdoor fairs, rodeos, agricultural shows typically use various icon objects. On the left, you can see the list. Just click the icon you need and mouse drag it into position. It only takes a mouse click and a few seconds. There's lots of different types of objects on the icon list to the left, but we can create any object for your list you can think up. Here you can see how easy it is to substitute a fairground object for a plain rectangle. And as I pan the screen closer, you can see that guide or safety symbols can also be used. Let's look at the automatic booth layout tools. By setting the booth size, number of booths in a row size, number of rows, and starting booth number, entire groups of booths are created and automatically numbered, and dragged and dropped in place with your mouse. Adjusting the settings and changing the orientation, in this case to horizontal, you see the adding in of the perimeter wall booth lines. Taking just a few clicks to cut out the cross aisles and the door entrances, you've maxed out your hall with numbered booths in less than a minute. From here, of course, you resize the booths where needed, assign and color code exhibitor space, import any pre-drawn layouts for things like food service, registration, or other setups, and then you're ready to go. So let's finish up with a fun tool, the automatic banquet table layouts. Here you see we use the automatic booth layout settings with just a slight change to create the X pattern table layout we see often in banquet layouts. And then we select all the squares at once and substitute in the 4-foot cafe table icon. Every new generation of fair manager or coordinator wants more ability to control and customize, and we've responded with those tools. But actually only 4 or 5 controls are needed to create a complete event or site infrastructure layout plan. The Canadian National Exhibition has been using our planner for over 15 years, working with the same few controls all that time. Thank you for taking the time to look this over. Please contact us to schedule an online learning session and try these planner tools out for yourself and with your staff.